malam sikit tak, tanggung tu. Tapi hari ni, saya bukan nak jentik pasal isu-isu yang ni. Saya nak jentik tentang isu the implication communication technology in human relationship dan juga at the workplace. Check it out, subscribe. First of all guys, do you know what is communication technology? Let me intro you a little bit about this. Communication technology is actually influences business, society by making exchange of idea, information and efficiency. Communication technology include, as you know, internet, multimedia, email, telephone and other sound-based and video-based communication needs. I would like to discuss about the implication of communication technology on the human relationship and also what is advantages and disadvantages towards this issue.
Since the world was invented by technology in 1995, if I'm mistaken, and because of this technology, the discussion about good and bad and value change on society was made whether by sociologists, philosophers, or ICT experts themselves. This technology is actually certainly capable of bringing out some major improvement in a person and community affair. Moreover, ICT has also changed society at the most basic level without understanding it. With the presence of ICT technology in the environment, well, in general, the most time spent searching the internet at home, the less time spent on friends, family and social event. But the internet has a less important and social activity while browsing in the workplace. When the internet is searched over the weekend, which is very much connected to the decrease in time to connect and socialize, the same is true. Overall, what we can conclude that the amount of face-to-face between people is due to the use and division of their time in a day by a person. And there is an argument that the internet also has the potential to have a negative impact on society. Well, that I can describe as the implication of communication technology in human relationship. Do you agree with me? I will present two advantages in this issue. Number one, improve employment performance. Information technology or communication technology can help a person to carry out work or activities more easily and effectively actually. And then information technology can help them to function more efficiently, quickly and easily. Another word is used to provide a conceptual framework for user method to analyze communication process, information, infrastructure and resources in the next task domain, recording the use of organization information in management decision and how technical aids can be executed, task or function. Thus, they are suitable to the technology implemented, offer advantages and further enhance the efficiency of workers and organization, as well as affect improvement in the company, and it's because technology is one of the causes of change in an organization to ensure that the organization is able to compete and improve qualifications. Furthermore, the role of the technology is now seen to develop in the organization and increase management efficiency in various aspects, especially those involving costs, where the rate of errors can also be reduced with the use of technology and can help the output and employees conducting business at the same time. Point number 2, I would say that effectiveness of message delivery. This can be seen
when communication gives a significant influence in ensuring the smooth running of activities on the organization. Due to that, communication is an important aspect in the organizational relationship that is not only between organization and organization, but also a major catalyst that triggers a close relationship between superior subordinate management. And therefore, in the communication process, the message is also most important aspect in creating an effective communication delivery system. Through the communication approach, the organization can convey information easily and can provide knowledge to the staff and the community about an issue. There are various applications nowadays such as WhatsApp, Telegram, chat or Facebook and so on that make communication is without hindrance. And meanwhile, researchers conclude that the communication technology nowadays having a positive impact on the organization and its top managers. This is because the activities in the organization can be improved with the help of communication technology, and it requires the cooperation and commitment of all parties to ensure that technology chosen will have a positive impact. The study also found that the organization that efficiently use communication technology will achieve goals faster than be able to provide competitiveness to other organizations. Now I would like to take one point, disadvantages. Because the employee have to work out of office hours, alright? So what I can conclude is the event of the technology has had some impact on today's society, where it has become the main field of development, especially in Malaysia. However, if examined in more depth, the use of hidden technology is a negative effect that is rarely thought of because it arises without realizing that the employee's time space has been affected because employees have to work outside office hours. Is it correct? Before that, the event of technology, workers only had to work until the evening. They agree with me, right? However, after the advent of technology, employees have to work overtime. If they suddenly get a job from an employer, this can cause employee dissatisfaction with the employer, so it can lead to greater conflict. In addition, the assistance of increasingly sophisticated information and communication technology, which is ICT, where employees receive message instruction through social media networks such as email, social media application, WhatsApp, that can be accessed via mobile phone, right? And will further increase actually the complication in the work task and the family relationship. But sometimes there are also employees who send messages using social media application asking about the work. Well, at the time the employees are on vacation or spending time with the family, with your loved one, right? This will result role conflict, time conflict, and stress conflict, right? In addition, employees who have worked outside office will also experience problems such as not getting paid for work that has been done. Do I am correct? This justification is clear that the use of technology nowadays or today can have a negative and positive impact actually. So
I call it is win-win situation. So guys, I hope you get enough information about this communication technology, and don't forget to click subscribe, share and like button to support Jentik TV. Poye, ciao!